Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have some gaming headset with a microphone. This is great for a PC, laptops, Xbox, PS4, Nintendo Switch. These are noise canceling USB wired gaming headphones. Alright, so right here are the G100 Pro. These are X-Surround programming headset. This has got a USB power connector. So you can see it says surround sound, ergonomic design. It's got the microphone right here. This is connected by a USB. So this is a professional design for a comfortable gaming experience. The earbuds itself are soft and breathable ear cushions. You've got adjustable bedband. And back here are the features: excellent X surround and affection. The detachable microphone equipped. So you got a little information down here regarding the detachable mic. Here is the advanced remote control. So now let's go ahead and dip into the box and see what everything you get into this box. So these are light material and ergonomic designs, detachable microphone and ENC system, advanced remote control with just this plug and play. So now let's dip into the box. So this is compatible with every device that uses a USB port. So this is just a warranty card. And let's just go ahead and pull out the headphones. So you can see that the microphone is detachable. And then you have the user guide in here, or just a user manual. This just basically gives you information about the features, the products, some specs, how you control the control, how to put in the microphone. And you got the warranty information here. And you got some more information on the back about the system requirements, about the noise cancellation, the technology, and some noise. So first off, you can see that these headphones are really nice. You got the USB port right here. And then you got the controller for your volume up and down. So when this is plugged in, this will light up. So here's your volume up and down. That is just a display light. So you've got your volume up and volume down. So these are ultra light gaming headphones. They're about 12 ounces, 40mm driver, and 7.1 surround sound audio card. Impedance active noise canceling, which is a 2.2 ohms. These are actively attendance ambient noise. And then you have the retractable headband. And then here is the microphone itself. You got the little microphone part right here. You just plug it in there and it's good to go. So this is a bendable braided material, so it won't break. And then there's your 3.5mm that just goes right up in your earpiece right here. And then here's the headphones themselves. They're very nice and cushiony, so you won't feel some pressure on your ears. It is super soft memory foam around the ears and the headband, so it makes it soft when you're using these for long periods of time. Now on the control, it does have a mute button, which also has the volume adjustment and microphone switch. So you can wear these being comfortable. So these are expandable, so retractable. You can go to the highest setting to the lowest settings on both sides. So you can immerse yourself in surround sound gaming headset with a 50mm driver and a built-in 7.1 surround sound audio card. Capture every note in the game, effectively providing accurate spiritual audio information. So you'll just plug in the microphone right here. So this is a detachable noise canceling microphone, so which is great for all those games. so you don't get any background noises when you're talking to your other game partners. This is the industry-leading active noise canceling technology to shut out and medium frequency noise in the surround, making your voice clearer and more realistic. The great thing about this is that this does have memory foam ear pads over the ear for your gaming experience, so you don't have to feel all that pressure on your ears. It's nice and soft and you can play all day long. You have a convenient volume controller. The microphone can be turned on or off on the left side of the mixing box, and the volume can be adjusted by sliding to the right or left side. So these are really nice headphones. The fact is that you could detach the microphone if you don't want to use the microphone part, but if you do, it has got a really nice noise canceling microphone as well as the headphones. I would definitely say if you're looking for some good gaming headphones, go ahead and check these ones out.